Hi, this is Ben Myers from Ben Myers International Movie Critics. Tonight we're going to talk about the American film Birds of Prey. Birds of Prey is a 2020 Warner Brothers distribution. Ben Myers rating is 3.6 out of 5 stars. This crime comedy action film is about the new beginnings of Harley Quinn after Joker breaks up with her. Should you buy this ticket? Maybe. This is an adult film with sexual references, and the violence is almost cringe-worthy, which needs a strong stomach to watch. This has been Myers. Have a great entertainment weekend.